Hi guys, I just want to show you how I'm rolling these different pieces of paper for the basket, and it really starts with what you're going to use to roll with. So here is some long sticks. This is like a barbecue stick. This is from a smoothie straw. This is a chopstick. If you have a dowel, that would work, or anything that's long and is of the same thickness all the way throughout and round. Or if you're using like a pencil or a pen, just make sure you take the cap off. You want it to be, you don't want any bumps in it. So a pen like this isn't gonna work. Look at how crooked that is because of this, but you have a pen like that that could work, that would be fine. All right, so you're gonna cut two different size papers depending on whether you have long sticks or where you have the short sticks. So I'm gonna start with taking, pretty much everybody that gets some types of flyers in your mail, so these are good. And if you have long sticks, you're gonna cut some long pieces. So here, you can make them about 2 to 3 inches this way and then cut them all the way across. So those are pieces that you could use for the long sticks. And there's no disadvantage in the long sticks. You basically are going to make longer pieces that you can cut instead of making shorter pieces that you can't cut, but you'll make more of these. So you make fewer of these and then you'll cut them up. That's the only advantage in having a longer stick. So these would be for the longer ones, and I'll show you how those are rolled in a second. And if you are doing shorter ones, then you're going to take pretty much the same size, about 2 to 3 inches or so. It doesn't have to be exact and it doesn't have to be even. And then maybe cut that in half. Okay, I showed in the picture that this was about the size of a cell phone, and that's fine. It could be about the size. It doesn't have to be exact. You could see mine are crooked. Doesn't have to be straight. So these would be good if you're doing some type of pencil or pen. So we'll put those aside. So the first thing that you're gonna do is take glue or glue stick. And if you don't have any glue or glue stick, go and contact me, please, because then I'll talk to you separately. And you're going to put some on one edge. You don't need it all over, just one edge. And then you're going to take your rolling item. In this case, I'm going to use these because it seems to be working pretty well. And put it in the corner at like this kind of angle. And take this corner, bring it up, and start rolling it and making sure that the glue is getting stuck to the paper as it rolls around. And at the end, you might take a little extra glue and put that on. Okay, then you take this off of the skewer. Whoop, this one's coming off this way. Pull that out and you have your roll. And you're gonna cut that out and use that separately. So you'll make a bunch of these. We're gonna make these over, I think I said a 3-day period. And I'll check in with you guys and see how that goes. Now, if you have a smaller one, I'm gonna use a pencil in this case. And if you have any pencils that are round, like these ones are round, if you don't, that's fine. And if there's sides to it like a pen, that's fine too. But it's a little bit easier if it's rounder, but still doable with all the others. Then you put this on the corner and roll that around. And in this case, you are only making one smaller piece at a time. So you don't have a long piece that you can cut up into 2 to 3 pieces, you just have one piece. But that is absolutely fine. And that's how you make either your long tubes or your short tubes. And either are fine.